Alright, so guys, welcome to my channel again. It's time for another one. So the last time we looked about arrays in PHP. We saw how to make different types of array, which ranges from the index array. Okay, we looked at the associative array. That's the array that has to do with what association, whereby we have a key and we have a value. Then also we look at what is called the multi-dimensional array, whereby we have different arrays inside of one array. So today we are looking at what I call objects in PHP. So objects, what we're looking at in PHP, objects in PHP, objects in PHP. So that is what we are looking at today, objects in PHP. All right, so today let's start breaking. Now, what is an object? Now an object is simply used to access a class. That is what an object is. An object belongs to a class, and also objects can be animate or inanimate object. That means living things or non-living things. And using object and class is what brings about what we call object-oriented programming, whereby one thing can produce several things. For example, now let's create a class of book. A class of book, curly brackets, and like you know, a book has three things. It has the author, variable author. Okay, let's say page can be there. Then also we need to have the title, stuff like that. All right, now these are three variables: title, author, and page. Now this is just the main class, that is the main parent. Now let's create the first object, but we need to make sure that these three variables are publicly accessible. So use the word public, so that other objects can access it. All right, then let's create the first object, creating the first object. So we'll just say variable book1 equals new book. That's it. So that's what it is. Variable book1 equals new book. Now most times you can choose to use this bracket if you want to, or you can delete the bracket. It's your choice. Either you make use of this bracket or you can delete the bracket. Okay, now very quickly, now since we are saying that we are creating the first object called book1 out of the existing class called book, that is why I wrote new book. Okay, so now since book1 is a child of class book of the parent, that means everything that class book can do, book1 can do it. So right here when I say assigning values to variables. So right here we'll just say very quickly book1 arrow function title equals array porter. Okay, the next one book1 hyphen author J.K. Rowling's. I love the guy, J.K. Rowling's. The next one book1 hyphen page, probably let's say 400 just for now. All right, that's the way it is. So right now we've assigned values to each of the existing one. Now because this was declared publicly, that is why I did not put the $sign here or here or here. All right, next one now is printing out the value of the variables. So right here we'll say echo variable book1 title. The next one echo variable book1 author echo book1 page. Save. That's it. All right, so I've saved now. Now remember to always run your XAMPP all the time. So my XAMPP is running already right here, so I'll just refresh and we'll have, you can see Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling's 400. Now we can try to put some break. If you want to add a break here, it's cool. Add a break, also add a break around this point, then we can save. So go back, refresh, that's it. That's the way it is. All right, now what is the essence of what we just finished doing now is because I can easily copy this one from here to create another book. So copy down here, paste it, change everything to book 2. Okay, we'll call this one Lord of the Rings. Lord of the Rings. Then give it a name, token, that we can say maybe 800 or so. Then we say get what we need. So right here I'll add a break around this point so that we can see the break here. Save, then go back, then refresh. That's it. So this is the essence of using class and object. So please guys, thumbs up, like the video, share. Thank you so very much. You can drop your question on the comment section. Thank you.